So you might be looking for a way to show the discount percentage on Shopify here. Well, there is an easy way for you to add or integrate this feature here. Now, first things first, you want to go to shopify.com, log in into your account. You want to go to online store, go to teams, and you want to go and click on the three-dotted option here next to edit team, and you want to go and choose edit code. Now, don't worry, this one is going to be really easy, so you don't have to worry about it about editing your code here. But yeah, what you need to do is you want to go and just go to the search bar at the very top, and you want to go and just type in the following. It's going to be price.liquid, and you want to open that file up. Now, inside the file, you want to look for something specific here, which is going to be products.product.on-sale. Now, this specific section here will be replacing this one. So, what do we need to add here? Now, the thing with this feature here, it's already present on different platforms already. So there are a lot of communities, there are a lot of discussions out there regarding this update. But what you need to do is you just need to replace it. Now, we actually found this on a forum here on a community page here on Shopify. And what you just need to do is you want to go and just copy this code here specifically. As you can see right now. By the way, if you're looking for the article, this is the article here. You can go and search that for yourself if you're going to look for it. As you can see, this one. So yeah, so let's go and just copy this one. And by the way, if you can't find the article, you can just pause this video and basically see the whole thing. So this is what it looks like. But yeah, let's go and go back in here. Let's go and just paste it real quickly. And let's go ahead and adjust it a few things. Now, by the way, just to give you some idea, I'm going to reload my page here. So as you can see, it's just on sale as of right now. Let's go and just add this one. Click on save. Once you have this saved, let's go and go back into our Shopify page. Let's go and reload this one. And now it's going to be updated. As you can see, 67% off. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.